Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to enable two-step verification on Microsoft account. So if you also want to enable two-step verification on Microsoft account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now type in Microsoft.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Microsoft. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now what you have to do is click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now here you'll be able to see your Microsoft account. You can see your name and your email. Right below your email you'll be able to see the option for My Microsoft account. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to this kind of page. If you look at left you can see several options over here. Find the option for security, click on it. Now you'll be led to the security interface. Here you'll be able to see an option for manage how I sign in. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to find the option for change password, two-step verification. Right below it you'll be able to see the option for manage. Or if you scroll down a bit, here also you'll be able to see the option for two-step verification. Here you'll be able to see the option for turn on. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the instructions over here. First of all, you'll have to make sure you have up-to-date security info where you can receive security codes. You'll have to set up an authenticator app if you have a smartphone. Print or write down your recovery code. At last, you'll have to create app passwords for apps and devices. Here you'll be able to see the option for next. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the option for verify my identity with it. Right now an app is being selected. Click on it. You can see three options over here. An app, an alternate email address or phone number. Click on the option of your choice. Here I'm going to go with alternate email address. Now you'll have to enter that email address over here. Simply click on this box. Now enter the email address. Now click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be sent a code in your email. Open the new tab. Now click on the search bar. Type in www.gmail.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here Microsoft has sent me an email. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to see the security code. Memorize this code. Go back to Microsoft account tab. Now enter the code. Now click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here two-step verification is turned on. If you ever need to recover access to your account, this code will help. You should print it or write it down and store it in a safe place. You can see the code over here. You can print this code. Simply click on the option print code. Make sure to write down this code. If you previously had a recovery code, it will no longer be valid. You'll have to use this code instead. Now click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here two-step verification is turned on. So that is how you enable two-step verification on Microsoft account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.